I simply refuse to eat boring foods. Seriously, I can't do it. Boring, that's not me, especially during this journey. I have officially been doing low carb for 6 months. And to be honest, this is the first time I've ever stayed this consistent with any way of eating. And do you know the secret? I simply refuse to eat boring foods. In today's video, I'm cooking. Yes, I'm making shrimp, salmon, lobster tail, and for the first time ever, octopus. Yes, you heard me right. Octopus. Have I cooked octopus before? No. So we are going to do this together and we'll find out how this turns out. So today's meal will start on the stove and it will end up on the grill. I have to boil the octopus before I grill it. So that's what we're going to do first. And along with my proteins, I also have some very colorful and nutritious vegetables to go with the meals and a little bit of starch for my husband and daughter. It's going to be a fun meal, I promise. In case you're wondering, I don't always have 4 different proteins with my meals, but I do have at least 2. In this case, since I'm cooking something new, I don't know how it's going to turn out, so I do have a backup protein and I wanted to make this fun. When I started this journey 6 months ago, I just wanted to lose weight. But honestly, I was also hoping to find something that I could stick with, not just another diet I would quit in a few weeks. This has been the past. I would start something, get results, and then quit. And then a couple years will go by, I'll gain weight, and I will do another diet, lose weight, quit. This has been life for the past probably 10 years. I'm getting older now, and I'm very mindful and intentional about my health. I'm very mindful of how my body is changing and being intentional about how to nourish it, how to take care of it. So for me, intermittent fasting and 1 meal a day, OMAD, have really been it. This has been my answer. Eating 1 meal a day lets me eat good, eat with purpose, and still hit my goal, my weight loss goals. And let me tell you, when you're only eating 1 meal a day, you do not want to play with flavor. It's got to be worth it. By the way, all the ingredients that I'm using in this video will be listed down in the description box, so feel free to check it out.
My daughter was crying, so I had to tend to her. So unfortunately, I did not record removing the octopus from the pot. But I just wanted to mention that I cooked it for about 25 minutes. This is a very small size octopus. It didn't require it to be cooked for a long time. I also like octopus crunchy when I've had it at a restaurant, so that's why I did not cook it for a long time. But I've removed it, I've cut it in pieces, and now I am just seasoning it so I can take it to the grill.
So as you can see, today's meal is fun and colorful. It's packed with seafood protein and it is super nutritious. It is super low in carbs and high in nutrients. That's what we want with our meals. Remember, we're only eating one meal a day, so we better make it count. It better be worth it. Octopus, for example, is high in vitamin B12, iron, and selenium. Salmon, as most of you know, is great. It brings omega-3, fatty acids, good for the heart. We got to take care of the heart.
Lobster and shrimp are both great source of lean protein. They are also rich in vitamin B12, selenium, and other trace minerals.
Now for the vegetables, zucchini, bell peppers, squash, these are low calorie, also high in fiber and antioxidants, so they're really great as a side dish. If you can take just one thing from this video today, just remember to make this journey fun. Make your meals colorful, intentional, and joyful. This is not just about weight loss. This is about transforming ourselves from inside out. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to watch this one right here where I teach you how to make a low-carb burrito bowl without the rice and cheese and tortilla. Very fun, very colorful, very delicious. As always, thank you for being here. Thank you for watching this video till the end. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it. Leave a comment down in the comments section. Let me know what you think about this recipe. Would you try it? If not, why not? Share it with someone who might want to make this recipe, someone who needs a little fun idea to make summer meals. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, do that so that way you can be notified when I post more videos like this. Again, thank you for being here and I'll see you next time. Ciao.